Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious churros using your microwave. First, let's get organized. You'll need basic ingredients like flour, water, sugar, and a little oil. Make sure you have a microwave-safe bowl or mug ready for mixing and cooking. Also, a piping bag fitted with a star tip is essential for shaping those classic churro ridges. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. So let's gather our supplies and get started on this sweet treat. Now let's create our churro dough. In your microwave-safe dish, combine water, a tablespoon of butter, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of salt. Microwave this mixture for about 30 seconds to 1 minute or until it comes to a rolling boil. Carefully remove it, then quickly stir in your all-purpose flour until a thick dough forms. Once slightly cooled, beat in 1 or 2 eggs, one at a time, until the dough is smooth and glossy. This chew pastry is the heart of our churros. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and cook. Transfer the dough into your piping bag with a star tip. On a microwave-safe plate lined with parchment paper, pipe out churro shapes about 3 to 4 inches long. Microwave these in short bursts, typically 30 to 60 seconds depending on your microwave's wattage. Halfway through, carefully flip them to ensure even cooking. You're looking for a firm, slightly puffed texture. Remember, different microwaves vary, so keep an eye on them. The final step is the most delicious. Once your microwave churros are cooked and still warm, roll them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and cinnamon. This coating gives them that classic churro flavor and texture. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce like chocolate or caramel. They're best enjoyed fresh. And for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.